Alright guys, hello and welcome back. So right now we are in Jean, Nevada at the Gold Strike Hotel and Casino. So right now we will go inside and take a look. They have a Denny's inside here. So if you don't know, Jean is in between Primm and Las Vegas. It's kind of like right in the middle of Primm and Las Vegas. This is going to be another Old Western theme type casino and hotel, so we'll kind of take a quick walk through, do it like we always do. Start off over to the right hand side and work our way through. So looks like they got a bar right over to the right hand side of this place as we walk in. Oh, sweet. They have some movie cars in here, so I'll have to go check those out. See, all these little casinos have each unique things about them. The ceiling in this one is like really old school, like old style saloon type Western saloon. All right. So I love cars, as you all know. Looks like these are all the Fast and the Furious cars. That's pretty dope. So let's check it out. So this was the 2013 Nissan GTR that was in Fast and the Furious 7. Pretty sweet. Then here's that car that was in the airport that flipped those one cars. It doesn't look like it could really flip a car. Yeah, in the movie it was more bent. That thing's like kind of straight out. That's weird. Fast and the Furious 6 is what that one was from. You guys remember that? Holy cow. It's kind of a cool car, but looks like a lot went into it. It's got an independent fuel cell on the back. Oil catch can and everything. 1967 Chevy Camaro, Baja style. Fast and the Furious 7 as well on this one. That's way sweet. I like the beefed up suspension. That would be fun as hell to take through the desert. Here's a championship pickup 1976 off-road championship vehicle right there. It's kind of cool. Looks like all these are kind of like Baja dirt track. So these are all from the Off-Road Hall of Fame. I like how they have TVs that kind of show a little bit about it too. All these are TVs, digital displays on what everything is, so that's kind of cool. Holy cow, look at the headlights on that thing when you're going through the desert in the middle of the night. Mom was pointing out like all the racers and stuff on the wall. They have the Motor Off-Road Sports Hall of Fame here is, I guess, the reason for all this. So this is the Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Fame. So I stand corrected. That's at Gold Strike here in Jean, Nevada. I just thought this place was a little casino. It's kind of cool. Holy crap, look at the suspension to be able to do that. Jeez, it's crazy. They got a bunch of trophies and race suits. Bunch of racing, off-roading memorabilia. trophies, all sorts of cool shit. Oh, that's sweet. Look at that Patriot H1. Here's the Denny's over here at the Gold Strike in Jean. Patriot H1 here. I just call it the Patriot because it's got the US flag on it. That's really sweet. The cage in there is absolutely nuts. Look at that light bar up top. That's pretty crazy too. Now that would be my thing to go through the desert. I'd take this little Volvo. That looks way fun. This little buggy. Right, some of the designs on these things is absolutely crazy. This one looks like a former Baja competitor. That would be fun. Taking hills at like 60. Back to the Future DeLorean. Back to the Future 1, 2, and 3 is the ones that this one has been in. So this is the actual Back to the Future car. So we've shown you a lot of cool ass cars. This one is the one that was in the movies. Look at that. It's kind of hard to see in the window, but it's got all the switches and everything. Got to go 88 miles per hour so we can travel back in time. Out of time for the license plate. Oh, that's crazy. DeLorean was a crazy car in and of itself, and then just to see the Back to the Future car is even nuts. So they completely debadged that GTR, the old Batman car too. Look at that, it's even got parachutes hooked up on the back. It's got not one, but 2 parachutes set up just in case. Oh, the inside of that one is way sweet too. It's like from the 60s. The old Batman car from the old Adam West movies. You guys remember those? 1955 Lincoln is what it is. It was Batman the movie and the Batman TV series is where you guys remember this from. Adam West was who played Batman in those. But interesting fun fact here. So obviously the Grease mobile from Grease, 1955 Ford Fairlane. Who could forget this? Even though I don't like Fords, it's all right. It's not bad. So we'll kind of go back around the casino floor. Cashier's cage is over to the right again here, guys. They have a big hotel here too, so if you are interested in staying here in Jean, you can definitely do that. So blackjack was the only table that was up and running. It was $5 minimums on the blackjack table. So if you're interested in blackjack or anything like that, $5 here in Jean, Nevada at the Gold Strike. Gonna take a walk back here. This is where you check in for your hotel registration. And then they also have a gift shop kind of back here as well. Music is right above me. It's playing loud copyrighted music, so we'll kind of try and overtalk that a little bit so this video doesn't get demonetized in that aspect. But hotel registration, gift shop up over to the right there. Another big chandelier here. But kind of a smaller casino floor. Not really that big, but the car museum thing was really cool to see, kind of the historic cars and stuff that you've seen in movies, you know, some of your favorite movies if you recall those cars from. But anyway, I think that's where we will leave it off for the Gold Strike here in Jean, Nevada. My name is Ryan. I will be your host through all these walkthrough adventures here in Las Vegas and the surrounding Nevada cities. There's more to come, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Click the 4K logo down in the bottom right, that will get you subscribed. If you missed it, at the end of the video there will also be a link where you can do it as well. And from there, we will see you guys on the next adventure. Have a good one.